this party started. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Blue Sky's day trading stream. Today is December 29th, 2025. The time is 8:21 a.m. CST. We're about less than 10 minutes away from the market open. Please be aware that this stream is for informative purposes only. All information is not financial advice. And if you choose to take a trade, please do so at your own due diligence. Do your own research, and please be aware that any information investing money in the market means that you can and most likely will lose money in the market. So please take your own trade team. All right. Well, you know what? I've got some levels for the market, but the upside levels, I don't see how we can do those. The downside levels look like they have already been done for most of the market. But we'll go ahead and run through my NQ levels, and we'll see where we end up at the end of the day. We do have a full trading day, but a short trading week. All right, for NQ, our level will be a breakout level of 25,008, 25,918. Your first take profit on that breakout would be 25,595. That's not right. That's not right at all. Why does it say that? Why did I put that? I must have been half asleep when I wrote that. Oh, it's supposed to be 25,951 is your take profit. Sorry about that. Revolving concerto. Oh, man. Try to drop a little something there in chat. You got cleaned up on that chat, bro. Watch your messages, please. Still a reversal at 25,890. We got a breakdown of 25,807. And then we got a take profit of 25,775. Did not want that. What is this? All right. See, that is NQ. Let's get our ES level. Got a breakout level of 7,001. Sorry, we have a breakout level of 6,993. Your first take profit is at 7,001. Sell the reversal at 6,986. Buy the reversal at 6,972. A breakdown spot of 6,965. And your first take profit would be 6,957. It was really bunched together, but you can tell that we've been selling. So, all right, now we've got our gold level for the morning. All right, we got a breakout spot on gold at 4,589. Your first take profit would be at 4,610. You got to sell the reversal at 4,571. You got to buy the reversal at 4,534. A breakdown spot of 4,516, and your first take profit would be 4,495. And those are your NQ, ES, and gold levels for the morning. If you guys find those useful, you can catch those each and every single morning inside of our Discord. That's right, team. Jump in the Discord, and you can catch those levels there, free to catch, and just there for you all. Y'all can take full advantage of those. So. What's everybody looking at this morning? Oh man, Ace is over there being paper-handed. Me, I'm just trying to do me. Looks like it's going to be a nasty day, though. It's like sellers are going to be on the prowl today. Ugh. Like it's gonna be one of those days that we're just gonna be able to short the whole market. Mm, okay, that's done. That's one thing done. So you're looking at this morning, Ace, anything? Mm, mm. I think this is in here. This should be my gold strike. Where's my gold strike? Is this it? This is it. Can I move it now? Oh, look at that. My chart is movable again. Thank God. This is like driving me up the wall yesterday. I couldn't do this. Can you believe that? I just couldn't do this simple thing. I just couldn't move my tabs back and forth. Yeah, I feel you on that. We have a little bit of numbers dropping this morning. It seems like didn't put that in the calendar. We got pending home sales, month over month. Got a few, little bit of oil inventories dropping this morning. We got Fed manufacturing index. So we got a little bit of numbers here coming up in the next minute or 30 minutes. Minute to open. Good luck to you guys. Let's make some money. We got a short week. Don't forget that. We've got the holiday going on with New Year's and stuff. So this will be a short week. I'll be getting with the staff to get you guys a calendar for this week because I myself don't know it. So I don't know what they got in store. Oh, look at that. Rebecca is like on point. Man. All right. Well, I don't have to wait. I can just go there right now because it looks like she just dropped that in like 4 minutes ago. Looks like I'm the lone. So you've got me here Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, team. So it looks like I'm gonna have a short week again. So you can catch me here in the morning session, and then I'll be popping in for Power Hour Monday and Tuesday and Friday. So and ding, ding, ding. There's our open. Let's see how we do here in the morning session. Yep. So you'll have myself here Monday and Tuesday and Friday. You should have Coach Matt here today and tomorrow and Friday for Power Hour. You'll have Coach Becky, Coach Steve, and Matt here tomorrow as well. Looks like Coach Becky will be in for her Power Hour session as well as her trade psychology. So we've got her signed up. So don't forget to stop in and check those out, bro. Bro, the silver has been the trade. You know, if you weren't in silver, you're missing out because, yeah, what a trade, right? Ooh, the AI mod took that out. I like it. AI mods are getting better. About time. Hmm. Looks like the market wants to kind of go for it. Looks like the market is trying to go. Yeah, it looks like the market is really ripping to the upside now. There are the chats. I was wondering where they were at. I didn't have the YouTube chats up. I was wondering what was going on with them. Switch over to the hot sheets. Hopefully that's got some numbers on it. Oh, am I missing any more chats? No, I think I got all the chats in the right spot now. Good, 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 good. Kill this because I don't need that. Where is this? Mm-mm-mm. 'Yes. No, we are ripping to the upside now. Come on, just keep pushing this thing. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Oh man, look at that. Look at that move to the upside. The market is just exploding now. What is Bitcoin doing? Not the same move. How about silver? Ooh, silver is selling pretty significantly. That's a nasty sell. Gave up all of Friday's move now. Heard a bunch of people talking about silver in the after hours. A lot of folks are talking about it. 777. That's right. That's right, Blue Detective. It's a significant move to the upside on the market. Nice and strong to the upside. Attempt the short right here. I think we can dip below the 26 here. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. Come on. And if we could take it down to VWAP, I don't know if they would do that. Imagine. I'll put my stop limit in the money like I always do. Get my $50. Make sure I get that. I don't want to take this. I mean, it's already $300. Be done for the day right there. Yes. We'll see. Oh man, that's wild. Look at that. Ooh. Mm. I want to do it. Come on, dip it. Come on, push it down, boys. I was holding the 9 on the 15-second. Oh man, they're gonna stop me out, aren't they? You know what? I'm gonna take this because it looks like it is gonna push up. I'd rather take a few more bucks out of this than end up with the 50. We can always regroup. That's not a bad trade right there, though. That's not a bad trade right there, though. It's a good one. Few bucks to start off the morning session. Definitely a good thing. 225 on that last trade. Could have been a little bit more, but I'm not gonna be greedy here in the morning session. You know, I'd rather start off with a little green. You know, find my footing, figure it out, like you said. Just like he said. Oh, weed stock's down 5%. Wow. MSOX is down to $4. You know, last week it was up at like $11, $12. It's crazy. And I'm so glad I got out of the weed stocks because I was in them for a minute. I was, doing all right on those. And well, they've done me wrong. They've done me wrong. No, I don't need this one. I need my other, yes, this is the one I need. AI mod is good. Generational debt on silver incoming. Yeah, and a bunch of people are jumping on the silver train now. And it might be too late. You know, they might be getting on right when silver is starting to dip. You know, get some profit taking on it. You can see that today. I mean, that's a pretty significant sell off there in the morning session on silver, you know. So you want to be patient. Yes. I heard that a bank got margin called. I heard about that last night, but I have not done the research to figure out what that bank was, to be honest with you. So I honestly right now don't know what bank is short right now or got margin called. Do you know anything about that? I mean, it's not GPM. That would have been all over the news. That would have been like all over the news if it would have been a bank like that. It should be going long now. Surprisingly. I mean, it won't be that big of a bank. It'll be a smaller bank. At least that would be my opinion. Sorry. My opinion would be is it would be a smaller bank, not such a big bank. Oh, whoa. Oh, there goes the cell. Sheesh. Oh, there comes the cell. Oh, that's gross. Hmm. Wow, that was only, why was that only just for a minute and a half? That's weird. What up, Nacho? How's it going, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. I didn't want to do that. Oh man, this is looking gross. Yeah, 15 second. Oh, that's what I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. That's what I trade in the after hours. That's actually what I trade in the after hours. Why? Trying to catch a trade before you go fishing. Okay. All right. I got you. Hey, that's cool, man. That's cool. Do it, bro. Man, I can't believe that stream didn't go through. Oh my God. I wasted my whole time on that. Done for the morning. All right, Anon. Killing it as usual. Congrats. You guys are just tearing it up over there. This is the final edition. Hmm. Okay, so we get the Goku. Oh, perfect. I'll take that one out because I don't need this. That. I have to do some more work on this when I off stream. Big Fisherman is looking for more short sightedness. Yeah, I feel like I probably exited my trade like way too soon. Yep. What am I here doing? I was gonna do something. I just totally forgot what I was gonna do. Oh. We break this trend and get to the upside. Yeah, I usually trade the 15-second in the after hours. I was actually talking to a friend of mine last night and I was answering some questions he had and stuff. I don't normally do the 15-second because a lot of y'all can't see this time frame unless you pay for a premium service. And that sell is holding true. Man, why did I open this up? Oh, I know why I did. I was going to get a kick. Oh, yeah. We were just talking about that a little bit ago. A lot of late sellers to the party on that, trying to capitalize, but unfortunately they're on the losing side of that trade. That's why nobody jumped in on the stream. Dang. Okay, now I know why nobody got on that stream. There's nobody there. I don't realize I have this thing all wrong. I wonder if I should restart the stream. Yeah, maybe we'll head on up. Yes, and the market is completely just selling off here in the morning session, though. Let's get our orbs set up for the morning session. That's some good trading in the morning. I'll say that. We're up. We're green. I hope you guys are green as well. All right. ES orb high will be 6,967. Orb low will be 6,947. So that's your orb for the morning session on ES. Looks like ES is actually going to push down to the lower side here shortly. All right, let's get the orb for NQ going. So NQ's orb high will be 25,818. Orb low will be 25,665. There's your range. There's your opening range break if you guys are trading that with me in the morning session. It's my flat sheet off again. I don't know why that thing always does that. Market watch. Yes. I don't know why that one always ends up blank. All right, there we go. Hey, how's it going, Jabron? How you doing? Good morning to you. Thanks for stopping in on the YouTube stream. Hope you're having a good morning. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. You know, I'm here to help in any way I can. If you have questions about setting up your platform, where to start, or if you'd like to find out more about our classes, you know, we've got some great mentorship classes. We've got the Collegian starting tomorrow, popping in tomorrow. He'll be in after New York lunch having a breakout session that you might even catch a great trade signal from him. And we've got Coach Becky after market close with trade psychology. And don't forget about our mentorship class each and every single Thursday with Coach Matt. Well, you know what? I don't think we got that this week because of New Year's, right? I think Coach Matt is like, he's like on a 2-week vacation or something. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So far, a slow session here in the morning. You know, some good moves, though. I will say that. You know, we got that sell. Looks like the sell is still holding true. I don't think that silver trade is going to go anywhere, especially with that sell. I think you might have to wait. An ounce of silver is now worth more than a barrel of oil. Well, it was. I don't know about now. Let's see. You know what it is? It's been like that. Polymart just dropped that. Funny. We get the sell signal on NQ. Ooh. But that short's still going to hold. Oh, man. Dang, is that the move we're going to get for the morning session? And that's it? Nothing else? Ugh. Pretty nasty the way the cells are kicking in today. Be back in just a second. Be right back. All right, team, I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh, look at that. There's a blue detective with its bad Batman puns. Pretty interesting. Well, now we're just inside the orb now, right? You can kind of see that happening. Tap the bottom of the orb, bounced off of it. Now what are we going to do? We're going to try to make the top side of that orb. Silly. We're going to keep going up, or we're going to roll over. Looks like we might be making a nice little W here on the Renkos. Silver's down almost 10%. Man, big fisherman, man. If you're on that long, I hope you cut it already because you're probably underwater right now. He's probably going to see he's already flipped. Fine. Good, there goes silver some more. Oh, silver is still dipping. Man, it's gross. I bet you silver contracts were cheap. I didn't even bother to look at see what silver was at for the day because I could have gotten a decent sell on that. Oh, market going to the upside. Yep, there is zero DTE. So far, silver's down 10% now. Woo! Oh man, that's nasty. Yeah, calls and everything are all juiced on it now. Well, puts are already up. The calls are still kind of expensive. Not gonna lie, calls are still kind of expensive on silver. But you never know. Never know. Looks like NQ is making a W too. You can see that right here. We're like right at the side of it now. Huh. Could they take this thing? And MSOX is like, wheat stocks are just so crazy down. It's not even funny. The market's kind of running out of steam here. What does this guy need? Uh, yeah, we already took a morning trade. We're up $225 CUDA. How are you doing today? Nice, nice. Hondo, cool, 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 cool. Looks like we're going to start making them look to the upside. Man, we just still. Whew. Store. That's where these online support chats have gotten so horrible. I've been trying to resolve my eBay account for like a week and a half. I got like $27 stuck there. I mean, I know it's not a lot of money, but I'm like trying to get my account resolved. I've had that account for like 26 years or something. But their support is so stupid. I've never seen, man, their support are just, I mean, I don't think they know what they're doing at all. I don't even think they're reading the messages. Not all online support. I did not say all online support are Qs. So cool your heels, broski. And not every company is as lucky as ours that, we have such like dedicated folks. These guys are flat out just, oh man. Yeah, eBay is just, no. It's pretty sad. I've been a customer there for a long time. And there's no other option. It's not like I can go anywhere else. Yeah, it's the biggest platform for, selling stuff. I mean, there's Bonanza, I think is the other one, but what is that? Most people don't care. None of these companies care, man. Oh, those companies are so big that they don't even need your money anymore. Like back in the day, like they used to say the customer was always right. The emphasis was always on how important the customer was and essential to your business, right? And it is not like that at all. It seems like there is a sucker born every second, and they've moved on, man. They've moved on. Like they could care less. They'd rather just not deal with you, and there'll be some other sucker that they can take advantage of. It's crazy. I don't know, man. It sure doesn't feel like when they get big enough. It just feels like it's just like that all the way across now. Oh wow. That's kind of cool. Oh man. Pretty nasty. Ah, okay. Okay. Oh, cool, 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 cool. Well, I got my account taken care of on Facebook Market. Now I was gonna figure out what is the story with eBay. eBay is just driving me. That one's got me. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that one. Let's see. Store. How about some of you guys? What is some of you guys' side hustles? I'm interested to know. I know a few of you guys, I know a good chunk of you all are the same way. Y'all have your side hustles. So I'm interested to hear what you all's might be. It's a connected. That's kind of cool. Um, just- um, mm, 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 mm. I don't understand that. Still says it's there. I'm not even gonna mess with it. Oh my lordy. The quiet day. This is terrible on the volume here on the market. I'm sorry, team. It's New Year's week. The holiday is still upon us. So, it's going to be like that. You got like 400, 400, 300 to 400 orders on the chain right now. It's 10 a.m. You can see that we just don't have volatility on our side to make the market move in any particular manner. Still inside the opening range. So, no clear direction. That's another sell signal. Dang. Woo-wee. They're going to really sell this thing, aren't they? Take a look at the options chain on the SPY. See if that gives us any type of sense of direction here. Market is tilted to the buy side, in all honesty. I don't think it's time yet, though. It doesn't look like it wants to bounce yet. SPY's got a nice opening gap to the upside, though, for us. Ooh. Orb is breaking the low now. Let's take a short on that. Put a stop at that 4 hour support resistance. And if that's what we're doing, that's what we're doing. on. You're testing the orb low. Let's just go. Let's just go. I mean, you got us in a sell cycle. Let's just keep it going. You got like 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Looks like the next candle should open to the downside as well. Let's see if we can get below this orb, though. I don't want to be here. I want to get down. I want to take that next. I want to take a leg down. Come on, just do it. Tell me you're gonna bounce this thing. Okay, well, it looks like the buyers are gonna get it. What's going on, RQ? Steve. Okay. Didn't even hear the order. Oh, he's already got it to the upside, right? Steve's already got it going up. Oh, Lordy. I don't know. Well, I guess they're gonna make this 15-minute green. Dang it. They're not gonna sell it yet. All right, fine. I'll take the long red. Of course, as always, the Bears without any gumption, man. Bears were worthless, man. I swear. I hate being short on the market because they can never do it anymore. Just don't have the guts for it. Weird. Coming range on that. 55 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. We should see upside then again, retesting those since I can't sell this. Dang, and I'm 26% down on this short view on my option account. And there goes to the upside, of course. Damn it. Pinche cabrones maricones. I hate these people. Oh, and I don't have enough to buy that many of those. Just their target filled. Yeah, it's pretty cool with Steve. And he's got a pretty solid setup over there. About 15 minutes left till the London close. Oh, maybe I should have stayed in the short. Oof. I guess my put would have been back to green again. Oh man, this is terrible. Man, I love flip flopping and losing money on both trades. I shouldn't have flip flop. I should have just stuck with my short. My first trade was short. Man. Oh, I'd actually be green on those puts right now. I'd be up what, one, two, three. I'd be up $3 per contract right now. Oh, this volume is terrible. Look at that. If it would have been a regular day, they would have just sold it off. They would have just dumped it. It would not be taking this long. I should just get out of this trade before I lose more money. Well, it's a nice little push of volume. And they just stuffed it. Oh, man. I tell you. I should just get rid of this bullshit. I should just get rid of this crap. I'm going to get screwed over here. We're down 0.4%. Still early though. We got a full day. We could probably sell down a whole lot more before we bounce. Bitch. That's like funny. Yeah, maybe $32 now. Oh, why did I get out of my short? I should have just stayed in my short. I'm so mad at myself. This is stupid. Wow. I'm hearing more about the banks that are getting margin called. I should just sell this damn thing. Got about 6 minutes left till the London closes. Still holding that orb low. That's what I was hoping for. I just want to see if we can get up and test that orb high. Give us a ranging day. Go slow today. Come on, let's go in Q. Oh, yes. Take a look at the heat map, see what we're looking at. Ha! Yeah. I don't know how this is going to give us upside with everything red. Honestly, don't know how that's even going to get us out green. If I can get out of my calls somehow. Let's see if I get a little pullback and if I can jump out of these calls. Oh, there it goes. It's going to be that sell. Give us that collapse now, finally. I guess the Bears are going to try it again, see if they can take this market down to the downside. Let's see if they have the capabilities or if they'll get just bought up. Oh, this is not making me happy. And I hate this, dude. Or down, stupid thing go. 84. Son of a- Hmm. It looked like it was going to catch a bid, but come on. Oh man, this volume is just terrible. Well, not a great morning session, to be honest with you. We're about, I think we're like flat right now. We're probably down. Yeah, we're down like $200 now. Hopefully, this long position will work out for us, but it's just a terrible session. This week's just going to be pretty crummy all week, in my opinion. I wouldn't want to trade personally until next week on Monday. I'd rather enjoy my time with my family if I was just a full time trader rather than try to treat this baloney. It's just my opinion, though. Oh yeah, tomorrow it will. I mean, all those market maker guys, they're not in right now. Those guys make millions of dollars. Do you honestly think they're going to be here trying to trade on the last days of the year? Would you? Would you? If you made like, a couple of $1 million this month in December as a trader, would you be here the last like week? I don't think so. I think you'd be enjoying your gains, waking up late, all kinds of cool stuff like that. Not sitting here in front of a stupid chart, beating yourself up. You can see that in the volume, like we said, 400 orders on the chain. Market's not going to go anywhere. That's worse than after hour session. Wedge, wedgie, potato wedges. Tell me about it, bro. It's not going to go anywhere, though. We shall see, though. I think we'll be all right. Try to come back to me now. We will see. Calls are still down 20%. I'm still down 137 on my futures trade. I'll have to wait and see how this plays out. I picked up like 8 SPY 690 calls. They're right at the top of that gap fill. We'll see though. They're like 4 cents. That's not going anywhere we want it to. Oh my God. They're going to just dump this on us. We're going to get dunked on. All right, team, I'm going to call it there. We're 4 minutes past the London close. You guys have a great trading day. Don't forget, low volume day with the New Year holiday. I'll catch you guys later for the power hour session. I'll jump in. Hopefully, Coach Matt will be here as well. So as always, have a great day, Butter Toast. Hey, you as well. Hey, no problem. Thank you guys. Don't forget to check out our great content on YouTube. We've got some great classes there for you guys that are looking for an edge in your trading. It's a perfect place to start. So check out those great informative classes put together by our great coaches here at Blue Sky. All right, team. As I said, have a great day. Good luck in the market, and I will see you all at Power Hour. Yeah, tomorrow. The volume is just terrible, so I don't want to stay here and just get paper cuts. So, there's not much I can offer as far as a trend or anything like that. Everything is just kind of like that in the funk. Silver looks like it might want to bounce, but not yet. Yes, looks like it looked like it wanted to bounce, but now it looks like it wants to sell again. A lot of uncertainty here in the market. We're still in the orb range, so I'm just going to hold this trade and see what happens. I've got my calls still, so I'm going to hold those as well. I didn't pay much for them, but I'm hoping that we can close that gap to the upside. We shall see. All right, friends. As always, good luck in the market. Don't forget about those awesome sells we got going on. And I will see you guys for Power Hour. Good luck.